everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katy, aka Tattooed Mama, here on YouTube. This is my son Hunter. If you guys are just now meeting him, he is 2 and he loves to do videos with me. Let's see what's in the box. He sees something to spray. He sees a spray bottle he wants. So let's look what we got. A really huge box today from Peaches and Petals. This is the first time I've ever unboxed this on my channel. Peaches and Petals is $19.99 a month, and you get a lot of just random lifestyle stuff, beauty stuff, just random interesting things in this box. So let's see what's in this October 2019 Peaches and Petals box. Okay, since the box is so big, wow. Hunter loves pulling out the wrapping. The box is so big, I'm going to keep it off to the side. Thanks, bub. Alright. First thing that I'm pulling out. Okay, October Peaches and Petals. It says, spooky good. Your pet will do tricks when you treat them with Pet Treater. I guess that's another subscription they have. Okay, first thing I'm pulling out here is, this right here. This is a neck and back reliever. Reduces tension and stiffness. Soothes headache, pain. Okay, I am so excited about that because I always have a lot of tension in my back. So you can see how he's wearing it like that. But that's very interesting. Very, very interesting. Alright, next up is this right here. Let's get this box out of the way. Is that interesting? This is the Bright Bliss. Ooh! Ooh, I'm excited. This is the charcoal whitening toothpaste and infused with active coconut charcoal powder. Okay, I'm excited about this because I've actually started to use some white strips on my teeth because I just want to get my teeth a bit whiter, and this is definitely going to help. So that's awesome. I've been looking at getting some of that. Okay, sorry I'm shoving you down, Bubba. Next, I see this box right here. Let's open this up. Okay, well, this right here are some tea light candles, which Hunter absolutely loves playing with. But this is so cool. I love using these like around the house. Look, ready? Take that out and then turn it on, and then it starts. Yeah, see? He loves those. Okay, well, that's pretty neat. Let's see if it says anything. Oh, my earring just fell out. You know what? We'll just take these earrings out. Yeah, it just gives directions. All right. Ooh, okay. I know I keep doing that. This right here is a purse. Okay, I actually really like this, and this is so cute. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm impressed by this box. Okay, sometimes I see reviews on this box and it's kind of a little like iffy, but this is a very cute like side purse, and this is the perfect color to me for fall, even for winter, even for summer. I'm about to go on vacation, and I am for sure bringing this bag with me, and this is just going to be perfect to hold all my stuff in. So it's super cute. I'm so excited for this purse. Let's see if there's anything else in here. Oh yeah, there's something really heavy in here. Okay. Oh my goodness. And I love candles. So this is the, oh yes, it's one of the wood lights candles. This is Pathali Woods. Oh my goodness. Okay, that smells like nice and fresh, but this is one of the wood wick candles where it sounds like a fire when it's burning. And I've been loving lighting candles lately. Oh my gosh. Wow, I like that. It's like very soft scent. I feel like this is something that Matt would like because he's not that big of a fan. My boyfriend's not that big of a fan of like really, really scented candles. So Yeah, it's the top. Wow, that smells really good. Okay, so for $19.99, we got a neck massager. We got a super cute purse. We got some teeth whitening toothpaste. We got a whole buttload of tea light candles. And then, well, like the fake ones. And then we got a really huge candle. And candles like this, usually, they usually go for like $9 to $10-ish, like depending on where you buy it at. So we for sure, $19.99, made money back, like made our money's worth on this box. I really enjoy it. What do you guys think? Should I get next month's box and unbox it again for you guys? I'm really curious because this just really seemed like a really fun box, and I'm kind of curious to see what next month is going to be like. So for, yeah, $19.99, let me know. Should I get next month's box? What do you guys think about this box? I think it's just so awesome, and like I said, only $19.99, and I got all of this awesome stuff. Awesome random lifestyle, fashion, house, self-care, like the toothpaste. I think it's freaking awesome. It might be one of my new favorite subscription boxes. So yeah, I do have a giveaway going on, guys, so be sure you enter that. I will link it right above for you guys, so definitely go check it out. And yeah, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hunter and I will see you guys here in a very, very soon in another video. Bye! Can you say bye? Bye! Bye!
I don't wanna be caught up inside your self-righteous symphony.